Welcome back to my channel, WinterMotors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw, and I can't do it. I can't do it like this. Hold on. That's better. In this episode, I want to show you and tell you more about this place, my family's 400-year-old house. On the property, we have the small house or the sauna house with a bedroom, the ski hut, the wood house, the bird house, obviously the main house, the toilet, which is just a hole in the ground, but you can have a poop accompanied by the royal family. And the Nissehus. I'm not Nisse size, so... Actually, it's the pump house. Way back when I was a kid, there was no electricity up here. Now we have electricity. But for a longer time, we had no water. But now we do have water in this house. Well, also in this house, but thanks to this house, we have water. A farmer from down the mountain came up with a stick, I'm not even joking, and went across our entire property and found water here. Then we drilled, I would imagine, between 500 and 800 meters straight down into the ground and found water, and now we have running water at a house. It's basically a well, but with a pump. So that's what this house is for, and it supplies all the houses here with running water. In the little house, or the sauna house, we have a little bedroom where me and Mara are currently staying, with a very comfortable bed, fireplace, little kitchen, and of course the main feature of this house is the sauna. A very small one, but very effective one. Now moving into the main house. As you enter, you see a washroom with, just recently, running water. And moving from that, we come in to the living room / dining room. Moving out of the living room, we enter into the kitchen. A brand new kitchen. This is a very recent installation in this house. Last time I was up here, there was an old kitchen with a gas fire stove and no running water. As I said, running water is a new feature in this house. But now we got injection tops and full on everything. Regarding sleeping situations, over the living room, we have a double bed and 2 singles. In here is another bedroom. And there is another bedroom over the kitchen, with a double bed and 3 singles. And it's very low under the ceiling. That's me nearly standing up. The most efficient way to heat up this place and to keep it warm is to use the fireplace. And for the fireplace, we need wood. Let me show you how we do that. Hey Mara, let's get some wood. And just take that wood to the main house. But it's not time to light the fire just yet. In the winter time, a good pastime activity is to go skiing. But my favorite pastime activity up here is to drink beer and shoot guns. You want to give it a try, Mara?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Drinking beer or shooting guns?
Well, I know how to drink beer. Oh my gosh, I've never done this before. Whoa.
Outside the property fences is nothing but wild nature. Moose country.
Moose country?
Moose country.
We can't park here, it's moose country.
And in that raw nature is where we get our dinner. Oh. Hi.
What did you get?
You know.
But that's potato chips and beer.
No. And cheese. So we don't know exactly what year it was built, but it says something inside the chimney. It's very hard to read. Now, my family history is not 400 years old in this house. My family bought this house in the 70s, and we've been here ever since. And it's just an absolutely amazing place that I really love and really appreciate and really care about. And it makes me sad to think that I haven't been here in nearly 8 years, but it also makes me really happy that I'm here now after 8 years. And it will definitely not be 8 years again before I return. Let me know in the comments down below if any one of you have something like this in your family, something really old that you cherish. Because for me, it's this place. There's also a lot of wildlife up here. This bunny is living his life inside our property. I'm guessing he thinks it's safe. And the wildlife up here is one of the things that makes this place very magical at times. Here you can see a wild Mara taking pictures of poop.
No, mushroom.
Thanks for watching another video here at WinterMotors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw. And until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and all that good stuff. Bye bye.